Have you ever thought about container gardening? Well, we do it. We've got some wonderful hot cayennes, and they look beautiful. Medley of jalapenos. We've got various hot peppers that are growing. They're just doing so well this year. You also have your green peppers. Where is it? There we go. Again, they're doing really, really well. We've got some other bell peppers in here too. The yellow squash is doing wonderfully. You can see those in there. And the zucchini are doing strong. They're doing a really great job. All in containers, and the red cabbage is doing well, along with your regular cabbage. The broccoli florets are starting to grow and form, along with, I thought, we got a little cauliflower starting there. We've got wonderful blossoms, and we've got some yellow cherry tomatoes going. The cucumbers are literally taking over, even growing up the fence, and we've even have some fruit on those babies. Does anybody like green tomatoes? Again, this is all container gardening, friends. It's time to just start preparing. You might not be able to feed your family for a year, but you're going to help out a few months. Grocery bills, you're going to know what you're putting in your body. The beets are absolutely looking wonderful. They're even look like they're topping out a little bit. Think about growing container gardens. You'll love it.